Hello students, welcome to my channel Maths with Banu. Today I will teach you how we can solve it two linear equations in two variables x and y. And for this, first of all we study here the elimination method. Now for this we have to take two types of equation like we can take x plus 2y is equal to 4. This is our first equation, and you can take any other equation like 3x plus 5y is equal to 6, and this is our second equation. Okay, now what is the elimination method? Students, you can see that the coefficient of x is 1 here. Okay, now and the coefficient of x in the second equation is 3. Now we have to multiply these coefficients by interchanging their positions, means we multiply 3 to the first equation and we multiply by 1 to the second equation. Okay, now we get 3 into 1 is equal to 3x, and 3 multiplied 2 we get 6y, and 3 multiplied by 4 we get 12. Okay, now in the second equation when we multiply 1 by all the terms, then we get the terms as it is, and we get 3x plus 5y is equal to 6. Again we can write it like your third equation, and this one is your fourth equation. Okay, now we have to change the sign of these equations. If you have plus sign, if you have no sign in front of any constant or any variable, then you can take it as plus, and we have to change the sign, then we have to write here minus, and we get here the sign of plus, then opposite of plus is minus, and also we write here the sign of minus. If students you have minus sign in your term, then you can write the sign of plus. Okay, now 3x is of plus term and here 3x is of minus term, so that's why these two terms are cancelled, and 6y minus 5y, because 6 is of sign plus and 5 is of sign minus, and plus minus is minus, so we get 6y minus 5y, then we get y only. Okay, now 12 is of plus sign and 6 is of minus sign, then 12 minus 6 we get 6. So students, we get our value y is equal to 6. Okay, now we have to put the value of y in our first equation. You can write here, put the value of y in first equation. Okay, now here you can put it x plus 2y is equal to 4. If we put y is equal to 6 in the place of y, then we get x plus 12 is equal to 4, and we take 12 on the right hand side by changing its sign, and we get 12 minus 4 minus 8. Okay, here we write the sign of minus because 12 is the greatest term between 2. Now we have to check our answer. We have x is equal to minus 8 and y is equal to 6. Now we have to check our answer. For this, we should put these both values in our first equation. What is our first equation? That is x plus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, now we have to put these two values in this equation. Now you can put here x is equal to minus 8. Okay students, and y is equal to 6, and we get 4 here. Now you can see here we find the term minus 8 2 6 12, and 12 minus 8 we get 4 is equal to 4. Okay, now if our left hand side is equal to our right hand side, it means that our question is absolutely right, and in this way we can check our answer. Okay, you can write it as verification of your question. Okay, so this is your elimination method. Now we move on our next method, that is substitution method. We can take the same equations. Let you can write here x plus 2y. Okay, students? Yes, you can write here x plus 2y is equal to 4. This is your first equation as we have write it as before, and this is your second equation, 3x plus 5y is equal to 6. Okay, now we take our first equation as x plus 2y is equal to 4. Now you have to find the value of x or y. You can find any of the value from these two functions, these two variables, and here we are finding the value of x, and the value of x is 4 minus 2y, because we can take 2y on the right hand side, and we get x is equal to 4 minus 2y. Okay, now we have to put the value of x in the second equation. Okay, then you can write it, put the value of x, or you can say that put x is equal to 4 minus 2y in our second equation. And what is our second equation? Our second equation is 3x, and we write here in the place of x we can directly put the value 4 minus 2y plus 5y is equal to 6. Okay, you can see your second equation, 3x plus 5y is equal to 6, and we get the value of x, that is 4 minus 2y. Now we have to put this value in the second equation. In the place of x you can put directly, and after that you have to multiply within the braces by 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 2s are 6, and here you have the term 5y, and you can write here 6. Okay, now 6y is of minus sign and 5y is of plus sign, then minus 6y plus 5y, we get minus y, because 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Okay, and you have 6 on your right hand side. Now students, you can take your constant term on the right hand side, because we have to separate the variables and constant in our algebraic equation. Then we have minus y, and 12 minus 6 is minus 6. After that you have to cancel the sign of minus from the both sides, and you get the term y is equal to 6. Okay, now students, this is the value of y, but we have to find also the value of x. Then we should put the value of y in the x, and you can name it as your equation number 3. Okay, now you have to put the value of y in second equation, and you can write also, put y is equal to 6 in your equation number 3rd, and x is equal to 4 minus 2y, and you put the value of y, and you get 4 minus 12, and you get minus 8. Now you get x is equal to minus 8 and y is equal to 6. You get the same value as you have find in the previous example. Just wait, you can see here In this question, when we are doing elimination method, we have the same equations and we have the same value of y and x. So I want to tell you that method is any one, but if you have the same equations, then you get the same value by any method. Okay, and you can check your question by putting the value of x and y in the same way. Okay, so I have to describe substitution method again, and the method is that if you have the two equations, students, then you can find the value of x, or whether you can find the value of y. Okay, now you put this value in the second equation, and you have to make all the equation in the single variable, maybe x or y, and after that, by solving it algebraically, you can find the value of y. Now you have to put the value of y in your third equation, this one, and you have to find the value of x. So this is your this is the value of x and y also, and you can verify it also in the same way as we have done previously. So we are discussing here the two methods, that is elimination and substitution, and we will discuss its next methods in my next videos. Thank you so much.